Hello everyone, and welcome to DifferentWit. This is a channel that is all about comedy for you to both consume and create. Along with a variety of sketches, impressions, and other videos like that, I make videos about the art of comedy, analyzing popular comedians' techniques, and how you can apply those techniques to get laughs of your own. Whether you are an aspiring comedian yourself, a YouTuber, or even just an average person that wants to make their friends laugh more. So, if any of this appeals to you, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more new videos. Now, with that being said, to start off the channel, we have to go back to basics, and to do that, we must answer the question at hand. What is comedy, and why do people find things funny? My videos will not have Vsauce level of science, okay? They will have applicable, practical advice. So, to answer these questions, I will share with you what I see as the most important keys to being funnier. So, without further ado, let's get into them. These are in no particular order, by the way. Number 1. Attitude and perspective. These are your views on the world and life as a whole, and yes, it's a broad tip, but it's just as vital as anything specific. In order to put smiles on other people's faces, you have to live life with a smile on your own. People who are always depressed, angry, or unenergetic never receive laughs. They only receive pity and some strange looks. Of course, it's hard to be happy if you're in a stressful part of your life right now, and if you are, I'm sorry. But in that situation, it's best to acknowledge the little things in life that are often taken for granted. For example, you are able to watch this YouTube video. You have access to the internet. That is something to be happy for. Number 2. Improvisational skills. This is the hardest part of being funny in my opinion, but it can be improved through practice. I don't know about you, but I have been in the situation hundreds of times where you're talking in a group, you think of something extremely funny to say, but by the time you think of it, the moment's passed, everybody's changed the subject, and the comedy in your line is now gone. Comedians do not think of final product, stand-up jokes off the top of their heads, okay? That is not how it works. That process takes time. But in conversation, it is vital that you are able to make witty remarks immediately after someone says something. To do this, practice cracking additional jokes right after the laughter dies down from the previous joke. Even if your jokes aren't as funny as you'd like, strengthening that mental reflex allows you to think of funnier jokes in less time. If you're truly dedicated, you can look up different improv exercises online, but I believe conversational practice is the main thing. Number 3, vocal and physical control. Many comedians have a wide arsenal of voices and impressions that they do, like Jim Carrey and the late Robin Williams. Both of these guys use vocal and physical comedy on steroids, which is what they're known for, but those vocal and physical elements are present in every comedian's work, even less energetic ones like Jerry Seinfeld or Louis C.K.
I wish there was a store where I could buy something, pivot, and just throw it down the chute into an incinerator, walk out, no bags. That's my perfect shopping experience.
And then I saw him and he's just being weird and so then he calls me, he's like, I'm sorry I'm weird, because it's weird right now. And I was like, whatever, it's just weird.
To add vocal and physical aspects to your jokes, try doing some impressions when you're alone sometime and see what limits your voice will go to. It might end up surprising you, but remember, always warm up your voice. Just like a singer doesn't belt out high notes without warming up, you should never be doing extremely uncomfortable impressions without a warm voice. Also, find out the cool things your body can do. Whether it be a rapid eyebrow wave, a deep double chin, or some sort of showcase of double jointedness, a physical flair can add dimension to your jokes, thus creating more genuine laughs. And lastly, number 4, no fear. If you're scared to put yourself out there by telling a joke, it'll hold you back in comedy and in life. While bombing a joke does sting in the moment, it sets you that much closer to making a joke that lands hard and gets your friends clutching their stomachs. It's like that Wayne Gretzky quote, "You bomb 100% of the jokes you don't make." That's what he says, right? If you didn't laugh at that joke, there's a prime example right there. I tried making a joke and it didn't hit, but there was no harm in trying. Never have fear, guys, and that's not just comedy advice, that's life advice. Thanks to everyone who stuck through all 4 keys to comedy. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed, and comment down below which of the 4 keys you think will help you the most. Subscribe for more videos, and good luck.